Hi all, Thetford C. You got it there. Oh, I think I zoom in. There we go. It's a C200 model. Okay, this is a seal change. So I put a bit of cardboard on the table just to make it easier for the video because it's up high. I'll come back out on that one. I bought the seal from eBay, £11.98. I'll put the link in the description down below. Comes with the fitting instructions, which is pretty straightforward anyway. So I'll just show you what we're going to do. So it's all cleaned and all nice and all disinfected and everything. You might want to put some gloves on. Right, so I'm going to put some gloves on because this has seen some sort of action. I'm not joking. Right, so you've got a cover which automatically slides back as this locks into place when you push it back in the cubby hole, and it pushes this and this pushes this forward. Okay, so these have to line up with the two arrows, otherwise it won't go back in, it just jam. Okay, so he's been cleaned. It's all been cleaned, all been disinfected, all been cleaned. I'm going to zoom in because I want to show you what my seal. Can you see? So the seal's gone in several places. So come back out. Yep, there we go. Okay, so these have got to come off, these two. I've never done this before, so might be a little bit of prizing. Just be careful, you don't want to break them. I might just get a flathead screwdriver. Bear with me a sec. Okay, a little bit overkill. I'm just going to show you. If you can see the little lip here, so it's not the big lip, just the little lip there. I'm learning as well, so first I've done one, so let me break mine, don't you break yours. Okay, so just take him off. Same with this side, just ease him back, take him off. Alright, I'm going to use a slightly bigger screwdriver. Sorry about the hands. Stainless steel screws by the look of them as well, that's good. Sorry about the screaming, there's a kid over the road who just loves to scream, can you hear that? Just, I think he's infatuated with screaming, loves the sound of it. Right, so that's off. There's 6 of them, keep them safe. So let's make that loose. And then the 2 in the middle, so there's 8 screws altogether. And they're all the same size, so I wouldn't worry about that. Well, that's pretty straightforward, that comes off. Right, put him down as you're going to put him back on again. And I presume the seal just lifts out. It's a bit manky, so I'll give that a bit of a wipe. You don't want to see me clean it, so it's fine. Just use disinfectant wipes, that's what I've got. Actually, I'll throw this outside. There we go, just some disinfecting wipes, got a couple of good ones. Give a clean around the outside where the screws are going to go. I mean, it's all my family, so I'm not bothered. And I want the seal to sit properly anyway, so. Just give that a wipe, gently. This disc, just be careful with that because it can come off and it's a bit of a monkey to fit back on again. So, right. So outside, just going to get a couple more wipes. There we go, should be not far off now. Sorry, I don't want to bore you, I'm just showing you how I'm cleaning mine, that was all. Alright. Throw them all outside. So I don't want any I don't know what's on the disinfecting cloth, so I'm just why I'm drying it. You don't want to perish your oil seal. And the blue stuff that you buy, we've got Elson blue. That doesn't harm the seal, by the way, at all. So just let you know that. So here's the new seal. I'm just throwing everything outside at the moment. And that just sits in place by the look of it. That's it. There's no... It just, yeah. So sits in place. Put the cover back on where you found it. Start off in the middle. That's pretty simple. You will find that if your toilet's beginning to smell quite a bit, whether you've got blue stuff in or not, then the seal is gone, and you can see that my seal was quite perished. And I must admit, the vehicle is a 2002 model, so I've never changed the seal since I bought it. I've had it 17, 16, 15 years. Yeah, so it's a 2002, so she's 19. I've had it since it was 2002. So yeah, it's quite a... So I've not changed the seal since we've had the toilet here, well, since we've had the vehicle. So I would say that's probably why we're getting a bit of a smell. At the time, and I got told off not long ago for not using an electric screwdriver. Sorry, I'm just showing you step by step. And the last one. Just check them. No, don't over tighten them. That's the thing with electric screwdriver. You can shear the threads because it's only plastic. You're only screwing self-tapping screws into plastic. That's it. Just a little tweak. That's it. Put the covers back on. Just clip into place. Make sure you get the one on the right side. And that's it. Slide your door back in. Oh, that's a nice fit. Done. Thanks for watching. I'll put a link in the description where I got it from. It does come with fitting instructions for this particular model. The actual model that I bought, the one, says it does fit. Well, it says it fits the C200, which is mine. The C2, the C3 and the C4 products after the 15th of June 2000. So there we go. Okay, hope you enjoyed the vid. Thanks for watching. Well, I wouldn't say you hope you enjoyed the vid. It's just a how-to video again. Take care. Thanks again. If you'd like to do a thumbs up, that would be fantastic. See you in the next vid. Bye.